Hey, look, it's the Republican National Convention right there. Make America Great Again. Buy a pillow. Make America Great Again.